What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding solving radical equations. The first example I want to solve is square root of 7y plus 1 equals to square root of 2y minus 5. The answer will be, so I need to square both sides as we saw in the previous example, video. When we square these two sides, the square part cancel out their radicals. So then it will be 7y plus 1 equals to 2y minus 5. Then I move 2y to the left hand side and I move this 1 to the right hand side. So it will be 7y plus minus 2y is going to be 5y. Then you have negative 1 and negative 5 is going to be negative 6. Then y will be negative 6 over 5. Next example, we have square root of m plus 1 equals to square root of m plus 9. So the answer is I square both sides. It's going to be square root of m plus 1 squared square root of m plus 9 to the power of 2. Then it will be square root of m to the power of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 root m equals to, these 2 and the square root cancel out. It's going to be m plus 9. And then we have m plus 1 plus 2 root m equals to m plus 9. M and m cancel each other and we end up having 2 root m equals to 9 minus 1. Because 1 goes in this side, it's going to be minus, so 9 minus 1, 8. And we have 2 root m. Then root m will be 4. Root m will be 4, so m will be 16. Next example, we have root x plus 3 equals to root x plus 5. Again, I need to square both sides. This part is going to be basically a plus b squared is the same as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. We had it earlier. So that's going to be square root of x to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 3 times root x. So it's going to be 6 root x. And here these 2 and the square root cancel each other. It's going to be just x plus 5. Square root of x to the power of 2, the 2 cancel out. And then it will be x. This x and this x cancel each other. We will end up having 9. 3 squared is 9. 6 root x equals to 5. Then I can say 6 root x will be equal to 5 minus 9, which is minus 4. And then root x will be equal to negative 4 over 6 or negative 2 over 3. So then x will be negative 2 over 3 to the power of 2, which will be 4 divided by 9. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. 3 squared is 9. We had it earlier. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.